Chapter 11, Lesson 4. We're still dividing fractions. We did one of these problems in Lesson 3 where we had a mixed number. We had to change it to a improper fraction, and then we have to multiply. So that's pretty much what Chapter 4 or Lesson 4 deals with, is changing your mixed numbers to improper fractions before you do the problem. So we have 2/3 divided by 4 2/5. Alright, so step 1 is to change your mixed number into an improper fraction. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 is 22, and your denominator stays the same. Now we go and do our KFC. Keep, flip, change. And now we can multiply. 2 times 5 is 10, and 3 times 22 is 66. So of course both these numbers end in an even number, or 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or 0, so it's divisible by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 66 divided by 2 is 33. So your answer is 5 and 33. 5 and 33. 5 33/3? I don't know. Anyway, hopefully this helps with the changing a mixed number to an improper fraction, so we'll do a few more. (11) divided by 1.5. So we got a few things to do here. First of all, we always got to put our whole number over a 1. We're going to change 1.5 into an improper fraction. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, over 2. Now we do our KFC. Keep, flip, change. 11 times 2 is 22. 1 times 3 is 3. We can't reduce it, so we're going to change this to a mixed number, because this is an improper fraction. We never want the numerator bigger than the denominator. So 3 into 22 goes 6, 7, 21. So 7 1/3 would be your answer. So these might confuse them because they're going to see a whole number and a mixed number. Just put the whole number over a 1, change your mixed number to an improper fraction, do the keep, flip, change, and then multiply. And then it becomes just a regular multiplication problem like we did in Chapter 10. So here we go. We have two mixed numbers. 2 3/4 divided by 4.5. So step 1 is to change both of those into an improper fraction. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 over 4. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9 over 2. Now we're going to do our keep, flip, change. Keep, flip, change, multiply. 11 times 2 is 22. 4 times 9 is 36. So this number is fine. It's not. It's a regular fraction, not improper, so I don't have to divide. I have a lot of students that still want to do that, which is not necessary. So I'm just going to divide by 2. 22 divided by 2 is 11, and 36 divided by 2 is 18. And there's your answer. So just don't be afraid of the mixed numbers. Just change them to an improper fraction. Keep, flip, change, multiply, reduce. Well, let's take a look at your homework. chapter 11, lesson 4. Number 1, 1/3 divided by 2 and 1/3. We're going to change this into a improper fraction. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7 over 3. And then we're going to do our keep, flip, change. Multiply across to get 3 over 21, and then we can reduce. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. So number 1 is 1/7. Number 4, got 1 and 2/5 divided by 1 and 3/5. Okay, we're going to change both of these into a improper fraction. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7 over 5. 5 times 1 is 5, times 3 is 8 over 5. Keep, flip, change. Multiply across. 35 over 40. And of course reduce, and we get 7/8. So number 4, your answer is 7/8. I haven't really talked about cross canceling because we don't really do that much, because you can't always cross cancel fractions. In this instance we could. For example, we're going to cross out the 5 and the 5, and all we have left is a 7 and an 8. Start that over. So we have 7 and 8 remainders, so 7/8, and that's what we got for number 8. I'm sorry, number 4. But it's hard to do that because sometimes you can't cross cancel, so I don't want them to get in the habit of trying to cross cancel numbers that they can't. Number 6. 2/3 divided by 1/9. So it would be 10 over 9. Keep, flip, change. We get 18 over 30. And 18 over 30 can be reduced. (18) divided by 6 is 3, and 20 divided by 6 is 5. So your answer for number 6 is 3/5. Number 11, 3/5 divided by 3 and 1/5. So I'm going to have 3/5 divided by 16 over 5. Keep. Flip, change. Get 15 over 80. So 15 over 80 divided by 5, I'm going to reduce, is 3 over 16. So your answer for number 11 is 3/16. Hopefully hopefully these videos will help you. Just keep using these along with your notes, and you should be okay. And good luck on your test.